Hi, all. Welcome to Global Online Trainings. Today we are going to discuss about SAP CRM security training. I want to give a brief explanation and overview about SAP CRM security training, and it's about besides overview, benefits, and this why learn to this module, etc. Before moving to that, I just want to give a quick overview on Global Online Trainings, who we are, what exactly we do. Well, to give an overview, Global Online Trainings is a leading tech training services corporation specialized in providing online trainings and corporate trainings to individuals and enterprises. Our high quality, competitive and effective training services makes us the best in this field. Our professional teams carried excellent instructional experience through many years of understanding the complexity of the technology and methods of the training delivery. Here we provide the trainings with subject matter experts who has good experience in their primary skills. Currently we have more tutor in all the technologies for online trainings and corporate trainings. Here we provide the training for below technologies like SAP, Oracle, SAS, IBM, Microsoft applications, web technologies and other technologies, middleware technologies, tools. And coming to the next, this is a quick overview on global online training. Move to the next slide. Let's see the introduction about the SAP CRM security training. SAP CRM security training at global online trainings provide knowledge on the central application of SAP to track and control all kinds of business process. Although designed and subsequently developed over many years to monitor logistics process in the supply chain. It is able to provide visibility of any kind of business process because of its generic design. SAP security training classes are available for the individual as well as for corporate batches on demand. SAP security training is written by the best subject matter experts, and all the tutorials prepared by this expert industry allied tutors and are made with the latest industry updates. Well, call the help desk for more information for SAP CRM security training and the details. SAP security standard tools is to track and trace monitor the status of the process measure compliance with process plan automatically uncovered and reported expectations. Well, coming to the next slide, it's about the training overview. SAP CRM security training overview. SAP CRM security training software helps to engage with your customer anywhere, anytime, and on any device with complete customer information from interaction history to social media sentiments and intuitive tools. We can continually improve your sales, marketing, and service process and delight your customers. With CRM security risk, SAP CRM security training system that there are multiple risks that are related. Some of them are listed below. Client data thieves. SAP CRM security training access to unauthorized constituents and threats to information about clients' list, prices, contact points, etc. If compromised this data, it can be used for competitors to win over customers with the low price rebates and over a large term in the whole business. Reputational risk. SAP CRM security training unauthorized changes in can negatively impact relationships with customers. A possible outcome are contracts, executive delays, substituted business correspondence, or even revised contact terms. Welcome to the next is who is using SAP CRM security training. SAP CRM security training used by many industries like fulfillments including production, delivery and billing, and high-tech trending and visibility for logistic execution and industrial machinery and component sales, other production in a distributor environment. Logistic service providers can use SAP CRM security handling units in outbound shippings and aerospace and defense spares, parts, delivery and tech, tool management and portal services that can be used securities. SAP CRM securities like a single item tracking, outbound delivery with nested handling unit, chemicals, apparel and food waste, customer products, telecommunication productions including transportation environment in chemical mill industries like rail car management, rail and tracking companies in conjugate with SAP TM. Well, coming to the next set, it's about the prerequisites to learn SAP CRM security training. The basic we need a basic configuration skills, and attendance should be calendar to the administrator. The security of the SAP business application software, and about the knowledge of procurement, sales and distribution and transportation process flow through flows and documents. I'll come into the next slide about the content syllabus which we are going to cover. In We divided it into chapter 1. So chapter 1, business transaction processing for SAP CRM security. In this, they are customizing types of transaction, procedure of partner determination, organization data determination, status management. In chapter 2, business, it's about SAP business partners. In chapter 3, it's about SAP CRM products. Well, in chapter 4, marketing and campaign management. In that, they are marketing attributes and set types, marketing data source and attribute list using the statement building, Champing execution. In Chapter 5, CRM 2007 and CRM 7 authorization concepts like the business role concept, navigation bar profile, the UI components authorization objects, possible approaches with the defining an SAP CRM authorization concept. Well, coming to the next slide, it's about the benefits of the SAP CRM security training. The benefits are like increasing customer satisfaction and it attracts new customers. It reduces cost and minimizes profiles, boosts employees' productivity and morale, growth in number of customers in a high competitive business world. And next, coming to next slide, scope and opportunity of a career in SAP CRM security training. One certification in CRM security is earned, candidate can enjoy several promising career opportunities with the immediate benefits including a significant hike in the salary and better material position, and scope of this field is consequently grow, and the certification candidates are present with the possibility of working with reputed companies that have a global presence. One of the most popular opportunities like in the consultancy field, wherein experts in SAP CRM security is a must. And it's coming to this next slide. It's about SAP CRM security training highlights. Provides visibility on status, location, partners across process. Manages sequence of expect manage of events or milestone. It ensures a quantitative data and within the definite values. React to expected events that are not repeated, and job opportunities in the chosen modules. You can career or life goals, your academy background and work experiences, and it's allows you to be able to manage by expectations by handling unexpected events. Next, coming to the next slide, goals of SAP CRM security trainings. The main goal of the SAP CRM security is providing better and best customer service security, and selling products more efficiently, discovering new customers and maintain relationship with existing customers. And it's coming to the course content for SAP CRM security training. The contents are business transaction processing for SAP CRM security, SAP business partners, SAP CRM products, marketing and sampling management, e-commerce, CRM 2007 and CRM 7.0 authorization concepts, USL CRM tables, USL queries you can create using SQVI query builders, analysis top-down and or bottom-up of logical links up to business role, organizational management. Well, coming to the next slide, SAP CRM security training outline. SAP CRM security training courses duration is of 35 hours. More of the model of the training is on virtual classes or corporate, and according to one's flexibility, timings can be set, and system access can be provided. It has regular batches, weekend batches, and past type batches on your demand. Training will be get the soft copy with soft copy material from PDF or a Word. Session will be conducted through WebEx, GoToMeeting or Skype. Basic requirements are good internet speed and headsets for the customers, for users. Register for SAP CRM security training at global online trainings. First you have to type at www.globalonlinetrainings.com on the browsers, and it will find the global online training page and click to the option top end of the menu bar that requested demo. Then fill the details in the field with your details, and click on the send. And if you want to leave a message, then leave a message using the pop-up box at the left corner of the website and send. And if you want more details about SAP CRM security, then log on to www.globalonlinetrainings.com/SAP CRM security training. If you have any, and if you want any information, then call us at 4060501418 or email us at info@globalonlinetrainings.com. Thank you.